This humble tub of cottage cheese is your next cheat code. First things first. So we are a dip family. We love any and all dips, so I knew this was going to go over well. Now this recipe is to taste, so as little or as much as you like of all the ingredients. And I'm going with a topping for this dip, and we are going to start with cherry tomatoes that I'm going to slice into quarters and place into a bowl. Next up are my favorite olives, the Castelvetrano olives, so buttery and tasty. Remove the pits and finally chop up the flesh of the olives and place in the bowl. Then grab some fresh basil and tear it up into small pieces. You can also do a chiffonade if you like as well, and place in the bowl. Grab some pepperoncini peppers and remove the stem. And I'm removing the seeds, but you can keep them if you like. And then finally chop it up, and you know what to do, place in the bowl. I'm gonna finally chop up some red onion as well, and if you wanna get rid of some of that bite that you get from raw onion, you can place in a bowl of water with some ice for about 10 minutes, and it'll help mellow out the taste. I like that little bite, so I'm skipping that part. Once done, place in the bowl. Season the topping mixture with salt, and freshly cracked pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and some balsamic glaze. Give a taste and adjust any seasonings. Grab the star of this dish, your cottage cheese. I'm adding a whole tub, about 500 grams, to a food processor. Now you can strain some of the liquid if you like more of a thicker dip, but I'm not gonna do that. Then you're gonna add some BOMBA sauce, and if you follow me on this channel, then you know we use a lot of this stuff here, and I'll leave a link in the description below with a recipe video explaining all about it. And now it's not that hard to find, especially online. Season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, then add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and then finally grate as much Parmigiano Reggiano as you like. Then blitz it all up to the consistency that you like, super creamy and smooth, or you can just do a couple pulses and keep it a bit chunky. Give a taste, adjust any seasonings. I'm going with more cheese, obviously. And then pour it out into a serving dish and top with your topping. Add whatever crackers or veggies you like. Bring it to the table. This is super creamy and delicious, and you wouldn't know that there's cottage cheese in it. The topping is delicious as well. I hope you give this one a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.